Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Studyology. So, this is our session 10. In this session, we'll be learning about the respiratory system of our body. So, let's move on, guys. Welcome to the session. So, what is the respiratory system? The respiratory system is a network of organs and tissues that help you to breathe. So, this is the system that help you to breathe. And the muscles that power your lungs are also part of the respiratory system. So the muscles that help your lungs work are also part of the system. These parts work together to move oxygen throughout the body and clean out waste gases like carbon dioxide. So the parts of the respiratory system helps, you know, give oxygen to all the parts of the body and excrete all the waste gases like carbon dioxide. So what are the organs included in the respiratory system? We'll see. It includes your airways, lungs, and blood vessels. So these are the main organs that are included, and there are some sub organs too. Let's move on. So this is the picture of our respiratory system. Let's move on. So this is the functions of all the organs present in your respiratory system. It is not that clear, I know that. So I'll be just reading out the text. So first is your larynx. So your larynx is the organ in which the air passes down to the trachea. So we take in the air through our mouth or our nose, and then it reaches the larynx, and the air passes through the larynx to reach the trachea. Here is the trachea. The trachea, also called as the windpipe, is actually a cartilage filled tube extending from the larynx to the bronchi. So, we told that we take in air and then it reaches our larynx, and larynx does not have any other particular function. It just helps the air pass down to the trachea. The trachea, which is also called as the windpipe, has it's made of cartilage, and it is through what the this air goes from the larynx to the bronchi. So trachea leads up to the bronchi. So the bronchi is a thin wall branch of bronchus. So to learn what bronchi is, we have to learn what bronchus is. So bronchus is one of the two primary divisions of the trachea that leads into the lungs. So the trachea is divided into two parts, which is the bronchus, and bronchus is the singular form. So it is where it leads to the lungs. The bronchus helps the air lead to the lung. Now we learn about the lung. The organ specialized for the exchange of gases between the blood and the atmosphere. So we take in the air from the atmosphere, and then it goes into the lungs, and the exchange of gases from oxygen is taken and carbon dioxide is given. Okay. Now we learn about the alveoli present in the lung, the clusters of air sacs that are site of gas exchange for the human body. If the lung has to help in gas exchange, the alveoli is a must. Without the alveoli, the lung cannot exchange gases. So, I'll be revising this once again. We take the atmosphere air, and then it goes to the larynx, from where it passes through the trachea, and from the trachea it leads to the bronchi, which is the thin walled branch, and the singular is bronchus, and it is one of the divisions of the trachea which leads to the lungs. And in the lungs, gas exchange happens from oxygen to carbon dioxide, and alveoli is present in the lungs where it helps for gas exchange. So we take all the carbon dioxide at the last and exhale out of our nose. Hope you understood. So, guys, this was a very short session. If you want to know more about the respiratory system or you have any doubt, you can comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Bye, biologists. Hope you had fun. Bye.